All right. Okay. Hello, everybody. Hey, my name is Davison Chauskas, and I'm the global market analyst here at Markets.com. So, look, I wanted to really share with you something that is picking up traction again, in my opinion, and that is gold. Looking good here. Looking good, right? I mean, look at this. We're having a nice rally. Today is Thursday, and I'm looking at this one, and it's before the US market opens, and there we go. We're almost hitting the all-time high. We came very close to testing that area, just fell shy by like a dollar with a little bit, and yeah, we're it seems like it's ready to pop higher in a way, right? I mean, looking at this, I mean, we've created a higher low where it seems like now we could go for that higher high. Well, look, let's not rush into things yet, because I think that we need to keep a close eye on the developments and the economic calendar and what's happening. And to be honest, on a Thursday today, we really have a few pieces of data coming out in a bit. So while as I'm speaking right now, we're going to get the GDP growth rate final numbers. So in about a few minutes. So yep, I'll jump into that in a bit. So as you can see, the countdown is there. So for now, let's see what's going to happen. And looking at the GDP number, which is expected to come out, let me just show you what I'm talking about. So this one, growth rate Q on Q, final one, we are expecting to see a lower number. Now if the number comes out on the lower side in a way, that's probably not very beneficial for the US dollar. And yep, we could see maybe this one drifting a little bit more to the downside. However, I've talked in my recent analysis on another social platform where basically I said that we are keeping a close eye on the PCEs, which are coming out on Friday, because that's something that the Fed is monitoring very carefully. We have the core PCEs, which are expected to come out a little bit on the higher side, and I'm talking about the year-on-year figure. The headline figure is expected to come out at 2.5, and that's the February number. Now, look, if it comes out on the lower side, of course, certainly that's not very good for the U.S. dollar, and could be beneficial for gold. If but again, let's not rush into things, because I don't want to, like I said, say that if theory goes that yes, lower, higher inflation number kind of is beneficial for the DXY. So but in this case, look, maybe it might not be the case. Maybe it's already kind of priced in a way, because the market is expecting a lower number. The market is expecting to see kind of somewhere, or maybe somewhere, not higher. Let's put it this way: not even lower number, not higher than the previous. If that's the case, and we see the number even actually dropping a little bit, then yes, this is something that could play out good for the other currency pairs which are against the US dollar. We could see, Euro USD kind of popping nicely to the upside, and maybe gold actually could pick up traction. And in general, the market right now is unstable, and I think gold is picking up on the fact that, tariffs came out. So the whole issue with tariffs, and everybody's jumping into something more like it's like trying to find a safe haven. The only problem that I have with gold here pushing further north is that, look, in general, how much more it can go without, let's say, correcting, having a decent correction. I think that we would like to see something like a decent correction, because so far the month has been crazy. Look at this. This is March, the month of March. I mean, wow, that's a spectacular move here. And I mean, I don't know. I mean, look, let me just get rid of all the drawings here. And what can I say? This I need to get rid of. Yes, delete the price alert. So so far this month we are gaining around 6.5, more than 6.5%. I mean, wow, that's a crazy move, to be honest. Like looking at this one where we got that one. Okay, that one was a nine, almost 9%. So the question is how much more it can go without actually getting a nice little retracement back down. So that's what I'm saying. So at the moment, I'm being very careful. Yes, everything's kind of pointing more towards further upside. Let's see what's going to happen here right now with the figures, what kind of GDP number we will get, and what kind of a reaction will we see. So far, the numbers are not coming through yet, but that's okay. Let's see if we are getting some sort of reaction here On gold, we are seeing a nice little retracement as I can see right now. Yes, pushing back down. So I'm wondering if the number actually came out a little bit on the higher side. Let's have a look. 2.4, a little bit higher than the forecast. Okay, so let's see what's happening with the US dollar right now. Let me just double check down very quickly. Where's that US dollar? Let's have a look. So we are seeing a little bit of a retracement, but again, I think that maybe this is part of a little correction. Look, in general, with the US dollar, I said that if as long as we stay above the 103.75 territory somewhere here, I'm still somewhat positive in the near term because I'm considering a larger correction to the upside towards this downside line. But that's in regards to a little correction back up here. But going back to gold situation, at the moment we're monitoring that current all-time high very carefully, 3057 zone. Look, if we somehow overcome that area, then my next target, and this is because we're entering an uncharted territory, my next target is gonna be somewhere maybe around here, this 3067. But if we overcome down 3088 zone and so on and so on. So this is what I'm applying my beloved Fibonacci extension on this little area, little time frame here, or sorry, not time frame, little time span here, which is taken from the low of the 10th of March to the high of the 20th of March and the low of the 21st of March. So we're, like I said, if we do overcome the current all-time high, I'm leaning towards that 3067 for now, and then we'll go from there. So that's in terms of gold. Let's see how this is going to play out, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, the numbers came out here. The GDP numbers, they're close to the forecast, so maybe not major, but I think all the action will be in tomorrow's PCE numbers, after the tomorrow's PCE numbers, and that's where, like I said, that's where it could become a little bit maybe ugly if the PC actually does go further south. If the PC comes out something like in line with the CPIs, which did decline recently, so that could play out maybe a little bit negatively for the US dollar, but for gold and some other currencies against the US dollar, that could be quite beneficial. Let's see. Let's see what's going to happen. I just want to kind of warn you and just to point out where we are right now. If we do pop above this 3057 territory, as I said, I'm applying my beloved Fibonacci here on this one. I mean, again, don't get me wrong, this is a little bit on the subjective side because I'm drawing it from here. Maybe I should draw it from here, for example. But then, yeah, the other level becomes the 3085 zone, which is basically around the same 3088 here on this Fibonacci extension. Let's see what's going to happen next. But again, I really would not exclude the possibility of seeing a double, maybe a double top here. This is something that I would like to see in a way, because again, I think I'm the one who's going to be trying to lean a little bit more for a correction. But again, at this point, it seems like it's one-way traffic and it is unstoppable. Let's see what's going to happen. Right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. I just wanted to quickly share this little piece with you, and yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Please do subscribe as always. And yeah, I'll see you later. Keep an eye on our further video updates here and video analysis. So do not, like I said, do not forget to subscribe. Hopefully you enjoy our content. And as always, stay safe, have your stop losses in place, risk only what you can afford to lose, don't overtrade, and everything will be fine. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.